Okay, so I just wanted to make this video and just show some stuff, right? Not that it's important, I guess, to you or anyone, but I'm trying to learn Godot, right? Or Godot, or whatever, people like to call it. I started like learning Unity, but the company seems like a bit dodgy. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Unreal, there is a lot of allegedly problems. And I was like, let's learn or try poking into Godot, right? And the reason is because I see a lot of people trying to use AI to see if they can like make a game using right AI. Now, I actually started poking and trying to make a Path of Exile in Unity, right? Which with AI you have to be. I figured out that you have to be really, really, really like really specific with your prompts because otherwise it's a total mess. And it took me a lot of prompts until I actually narrow it down to what like, I guess works. And even then it doesn't work, but it's like better, right? But so I decided 2 days ago, this is my third day, I have no experience like modeling. I cannot model like I don't know, a proper, I don't know, box, even like Blender comes with a box, right? I'm so bad at modeling, it's not a joke. So I have no experience modeling. I have no experience with Godot. I have no experience, nothing, like anything. And I'm not going to present you something amazing, as you can see, right? But this is what I have done so far by just asking ChatGPT and just, following instruction, right? So it doesn't have sound, right? But it auto-generated the trees, right? And I'm making a Risk of Rain 2 type of game, right? Which is a huge thing, right? Most people will go for something simple. But I'm actually quite amazed, by the whole thing. And we made up like, some menus. As you can see, it's not good, but the idea that you can, make something, right? It's like fascinating to me. And I love game development and people who actually can make games. It's like amazing. But this is the first thing. This is the first day, right? So this is the second day. Again, no audio because I didn't record audio. But this is what I have, and this is basically a worm. It looks like a ghost or something. I don't know. But my idea was like to make a worm with a hat and a backpack and some sunglasses, right? And this is some robot type of thingy. I don't know. I just try to do something, right? I'm, like I said, not. And basically, I'm showing, this like taken from Risk of Rain, right? And I do have some puppies. I don't know if you can see it, but placeholders, right? To see, if it can work, and actually it works, right? The whole button thingy, right? We're just testing stuff, right? And you can go inside. You have like a zoom in, zoom out, right? The character is not turning right now. I haven't gotten to that point, right? But the point was just to basically create a character, some simple character, I guess, switch it with the previous, capsule placeholder and stuff like that, right? Just to, I don't know, see how deep we can go with, using ChatGPT, right? Basically simple stuff, right? And here is again just basically testing, right? Exiting, just choosing another character, right? Just to see how. Unfortunately for me, as you can see, the character is facing me because I found out, thanks to ChatGPT, right, that I have to look at certain direction in Blender so it actually exports it, the right way. But that's like anything. You live, you learn anyway. So, and this is what I'm doing right now. This is where I basically ended up 3 days. I still have like quite 6-8 hours maybe until the day ends, but my eyes are bleeding and I'm on this constantly, and there are a lot of problems and troubleshooting, and it's ridiculous, but it's fun as well at the same time. So this again, I haven't poked into the main scene or this thing. I'm focusing now on the character movement and stuff like that, right? So again, I put a hat because I decided to shoot the projectiles from the hat. I don't know. I thought it was going to be funny. So yeah, I was thinking to make like rabbits, like projectiles, and so the worm is shooting rabbits from the hat. Like, I don't know, like some weird stuff. So we go inside, right? And so far I have only two skills, right? The dash and the health bar is not working right now. I still have to adjust the muzzle flash and stuff like that, but as you can see, I can damage stuff. Those are some enemies that I still have to make them chase me and stuff like that, right? But I find it quite cool. It's like, it's really interesting how things work, and people who actually can make games, it's really fascinating to me. I think it's really fun to make games. Unfortunately, I don't know how to code, I don't know anything, so it's, you know, it's a chore because I don't know basically anything. But it's so exciting to see something, even like this simple thing, right? And someone's probably looking at this and being like, that's ridiculous, you know, that's so stupid. But for me, it's like, it's so cool because it's like you achieve something. It's really, it's nothing, right? But at the same time, you're like, oh, whoa, you know, I added the skill. Oh, I added some visual stuff. Oh, I added this, I added that. Oh my God, you know. And it's like these small things, but it's so interesting to make it, you know. It's like, I don't know. But so far, you know, now this is I had an idea about a portal and spawning there and stuff like that. I don't know. I have a lot of ideas. I don't know how I'll be able to, I guess, implement them. How good, you know, if everything is going to work and stuff like that with ChatGPT, because like I said, I don't know. I looked for some books on Amazon for learning Godot scripting and stuff like that, but unfortunately I cannot find anything that I can deem good, I guess. It's expensive stuff. I don't want to just buy it because, you know, just to try it, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, this is just a fun project. I don't know. I'm going to try to take it as far as I can. But I don't promise anything, right? It's really fun. That's the whole thing. I'm trying to make basically a Risk of Rain 2 type of game with some, I guess, weird ideas. Not so much about the characters as well, but just some, I don't know, some ideas that I have in my mind that I think would be fun. And yeah, you know, that's about it.